Hi guys, welcome back to MakeupPixie.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest today. He's going to be helping me doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of October. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on all the beauty fun. So now let's go ahead and get into this video and see what the month of October has brought us. First box we're going to open is the BoxyCharm base box for the month of October. So this month's theme is Candy Shop, obviously. This month has one of the best holidays ever, which is Halloween, our favorite costume, our favorite holiday of the year. We love Halloween. We're very big Halloween fans in this house. So again, the theme for this month is Candy Shop, and in the back it brings all the info on the products. So first product, please. And the first thing we have here is from Sol de Janeiro. It's the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupucao Lip Butter. Oh, look at this. Cute. It has like a rose gold metallic-y body and a white top. And oh, cool. Very neutral shade. Let's see if this has any color in it. No. It goes on invisible. Cool. So it's just like a lip balm. Cool.
Next product.
We have from Ace Beauty the Draw It lip liner in the shade. Oh, it just says lip liner duo set. So let's see what the shades are. This is that.
One side is back.
There's two. So it's a lip liner duo set. Okay, so the shades that we have here are So Gorgeous and Be Peachy. Let's go ahead and see how these are.
Ooh, look at that.
Pretty shade. Wow.
Yeah.
I like that. Very cute. Can never go wrong with a red liner.
Yep, true.
And this one is Be Peachy.
And it
Oh,
also
cool.
has
This
a
is a nice like mauve-y actually. It's like a mauve color. It's not even peach. That's nice. This is good for like everyday shades. Really nice. Next product, please.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh, cool. I actually been wanting this. This is the Tarte Cosmetics Marajuca Miracle Mist, or Marayuca, or Marahuca, or I don't know. Let's see if this smells like anything. Back up. No smell. Great. Right? Doesn't smell like anything. But cool, I'm very excited because I'm almost done with my Morphe setting spray and I really like that mist. So this is going to be a great replacement for that. Next product, please.
Yeah, this one I can read.
This is from Murad Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser. Cool. Another thing that I'm also running out of. So these are great replacements. Intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary blend of all kinds of fun chemical things. Reveals smoother texture and brighter, younger looking complexion. Let's see if it smells.
Let me open.
Let me see what
There's one. That smells pretty good.
doesn't really have a smell, but
Yeah, but
it's good. It's better than having too much smell. I'd rather have no smell than too much smell. So this is definitely going to be good.
Next product.
The next product is
Nesting. I can't read what the word says. Face.
So this is from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics. I'm a very big fan of Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics as far as like their naming, like the way they name their products and like their packaging and stuff. So this says Nesting Witch Face. Can't say the other word because I have a child here. But Nesting Witch Face face palette. And ooh, okay, so we have a contour, a blush, and highlights palette, and these are the shades. And the shades are Glimmers of BS, Hush Blush, Ego, Son of AB, Mirror Mirror, and Sun Kissed Snitch. This is why I like the way they named their shades. I like the way they name stuff. And it has a very big mirror, which I love. I love palettes that have a good mirror. And that is it for the base box. Those were the 5 items in that box. Let's see what the premium box has in store for us. The first item is from Kosas Tinted Face Oil.
Ooh,
in number
pretty.
6 tone. I wonder what this is.
Pretty.
A tinted face oil. I've never heard of.
That looks cool. Let me sniff.
Let's see. Let me read on this. Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation. It is a clean, featherweight, light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir. With application that takes as little as 10 seconds, the breathable formula evens skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. So it has a shaker inside, obviously because it's an oil foundation, liquidy, so it has a shaker in there. I'm curious to see what the shade is like. Oh, interesting. This is like my winter tone, because right now I'm still tan from the summer, but this would be like my winter tone. So, or actually I could probably give it to my sisters because they're a little lighter than me, because I don't know how long it's going to take for this sun situation to go away, the suntan situation to go away. Next item is...
Wait, order up.
From... Oh, cool. This is, she is actually one of my, I follow her on Instagram and I really like her content. Very big fan of hers. It's Isabel Bedoya. The Illuminati and Isa palette. So it has a big mirror, already a plus.
Yeah, all the colors.
Wow. So let's go ahead and swatch some of these because I'm curious to see how they come out. Let's try Purple Dream. It feels, ooh, look how sparkly that is. Wow. And I'm gonna try this one, Izzy. This one feels kind of rough and it doesn't, this looks like this is gonna be a fallout problem, but this is like a very gold glitter.
No, I'm gonna choose Sorry.
And this shade is called 1996. Very pretty yellow. This is actually really pretty. I really like this gold glittery one. I just see like fallout all over the place. The next item in the premium box is from Fenty Beauty, the Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Let's see what this brow pencil is like. So it's a double-ended brow pencil. On one side we have not a usual spoolie, how you would find on every other brow pencil. This is more like a paddle brush. Look at that, interesting. I wonder how that works out. And then on the other end we have the product, and I got dark brown. Perfect, let's go ahead and swatch that. This is definitely very buildable. It's very more on the lighter dark brown side because it's not as dark, which is great. I mean, if you want to like just throw in your purse and kind of like, you know, brush up on your brows real quick. Not bad, not bad. Next product, please. And we have a gloss from Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color in the shade Beige. I'll go ahead and open this.
Okay. I'll open the next one.
Okay. Is it a gloss or is it a liquid lipstick? Let's see. It is a liquid lipstick. It's actually really pretty. I don't know how that's gonna look on my lips, but it's really pretty. Very pretty color. That is in the shade Beige. Next product, please. And we have here Clarins Instant Smooth Line Smoothing Perfecting Touch. What is this? Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. This ultralight award-winning primer leaves an imperceptible veil over the skin surface, silkening Acacia micro pearls, fills in pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates and nourishes for foundation-ready skin. Oh, cool. So it's a primer. Alright, alright. Oh, cool. It looks really cool in there. Look at this.
Oh!
This is probably just like instructions. It's interesting in there though. That's cool. No smell. Perfect.
Mommy,
Clarins has
this.
Oh, it has a little spatula. Cool. Let's put that back in the box so it doesn't get dirty. Clarins makes good skincare products, so I'm actually excited to try this primer and see how it works out. And we have come to the last product in the premium box. So we have exfoliating swipies from Go2. Foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. Exfoliating shouldn't be confusing and frustrating. It should be easy and big resulty. Fun even. Swippies are fun. Just take one of our powerful little pads for a few laps around your face, and in 60 seconds you have clear, clean, glowy skin. Marvelous. So these are exfoliating pads. I currently use the ones from First Aid Beauty. Those are my favorite. I love First Aid Beauty for skincare because I have eczema, so I'm like very loyal to First Aid Beauty. Ooh, they smell like orange. Yeah, they smell like orange.
They smell like mint orange.
No, there's no mint in here. No,
right now, I just got in my brain.
Cool, they smell really good. I just hope that these will go well with my skin, but I'll actually look more into that before I try them out because, like I said, I'm very loyal to First Aid Beauty because a girl's got sensitive skin over here, so gotta be careful. But they smell really good, I'll tell you that much. So we have come to the end of this video. Which box would I say I liked better? I want to say I like the base box mainly because of the Tarte Cosmetics setting spray. Yeah, I think that's probably like the best one. I would rather have more like makeup stuff than skincare stuff, so I think that one is better. I'm curious though to see how this face oil foundation works. But yeah, no, I think I would say the base box was my favorite box of this month. So we are at the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on social medias at MakeupPixie. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.